here we go. Try this one, eh? Oh, little magnets come out there. That's not good. Let's go with the quad rake. There's a quad rake. She's open. That's it for an easy one. And you know, I mean, look, these magnets on the side are just held in with a dot of super glue quite clearly, so you know, I mean, that's something they need to improve. Maybe use a stronger epoxy or something. But look, the body, I was worried that the body was going to come apart. I mentioned that in the previous video. It's pretty damn strong, like, and it's super nice in the hand. It's well finished. These pick blades are pretty damn good. Super flexible and thin. Get them in any keyway. So yeah, I'm pretty pleased with it, really. Just need to glue that back in.